In 1972, HP came up with the HP35 scientific calculator, their first ever scientific calculator, and they wanted to sell it to the market at $400 each. So they hired a market research firm to figure out if there was a market indeed for an HP calculator at a price point of $400. And the market research firm said, no, there is no need for such a scientific calculator in the market, and people are not going to be willing to pay for such calculator. However, Bill Hewlett, the founder, said, well, let's just do a small run of 1,000 calculators and let's see if they sell. However, once they started selling, they were selling 1,000 calculators a day. So what Bill Hewlett had learned early on and was that not every experiment leads to a breakout success. In fact, at HP, only 6 out of 100 new HP products become breakout success. So HP makes 100 small bets and identifies the 6 winners, and then they make big bets. They bet big on these 6 winners. Once they know that this particular calculator is going to be a hit in the market, they're going to spend a lot of money to produce it and market it and sell it. The key understanding we need to take away from HP is that in order to identify the winners, we need to place a lot of small bets. And once we identify a winner amongst all those little bets, we can bet big on the winner.